Have you ever stopped for a second and thought about how a tiny fluffy puff hanging on a green plant somehow turns into the shirt touching your skin right now? It's strange, right? Cotton looks so fragile, almost like a cloud caught on a stick, yet it goes through one of the most intense, mechanical, and beautiful transformations on Earth before it becomes the fabric we wear every single day. It starts in fields that stretch like endless white oceans under the blazing sun. Cotton plants swaying, their pods bursting open like popcorn, revealing soft fibers that farmers call white gold. Those fibers are picked, sometimes by machines with spinning claws that pluck them at lightning speed, sometimes by rough, sunburned hands that have done this for generations. The raw cotton is filled with seeds, dirt, tiny leaves, far from clean. It's loaded into trucks that rumble toward massive ginning factories, where the real transformation begins. Inside these giant metal beasts, the cotton is sucked into a whirlwind of spinning rollers and steel combs. The seeds are ripped away. Dust flies. The air smells earthy, sweet, and a little burnt from friction. The machines roar non-stop, and what comes out isn't fluff anymore. It's clean, pure fiber, packed into bales that weigh more than a man can lift. Each bale carries a secret. It will one day become part of someone's life. The journey continues as those bales travel across cities and seas to spinning mills, where the atmosphere feels alive with movement. Machines twist, pull, and stretch the fibers into thin strands, called yarn. It's like watching raw nature get tamed. Those fibers align, merge, and gain strength as thousands of threads dance together on spools spinning so fast they blur your vision. The sound is hypnotic, like thunder trapped inside walls. That yarn then heads to the weaving section, where it's crossed over and under hundreds of times a minute, forming the first visible fabric, the first cloth, the birth of texture. It's mesmerizing, threads clashing and hugging, joining to create something that can hold color, pattern, and shape. And yet this gray, plain fabric is just the skeleton of what we wear. It's then dyed in enormous vats of boiling color, deep indigos, soft creams, burning reds, each one bubbling like a living thing. Workers dip, lift, check, and rinse until every inch of cotton carries the exact shade a designer dreamed about. The scent of wet dye and steam fills the air. Then comes the softening. Steam presses, mechanical rollers, and brushing machines give the fabric a touch so smooth, it feels like comfort itself. Finally, the fabric is cut, stitched, and sewn by skilled hands and fast machines that hum together in perfect rhythm. Each cut is deliberate. Each stitch carries precision. In one factory, a plain roll of cotton might become a crisp shirt. In another, maybe it turns into denim jeans tough enough to last years. Some end up in dresses that dance in the wind, others in uniforms that endure sweat, rain, and time. From dirt to design, from field to fashion, cotton travels a path of transformation few ever see. But we all feel it every single day. And the next time you touch your sleeve or fold your favorite shirt, you'll know there's a whole unseen world stitched inside that fabric. A story of machines and hands, sun and soil all working quietly to turn a simple puff of white into the comfort that defines our lives. Because cotton isn't just a material, it's the heartbeat of what we wear, the unseen journey of something ordinary becoming extraordinary.